Hello everyone, I just want to quickly go over how to use a t-table. So I'll upload a new distribution table that is provided within my StatLab homework. Okay, so this is the t-table. This one gives us more value than the formula sheet that I provided earlier. That's why we're using this one. So here, let's do an example. Let's say we're finding a critical value, t of c, or sometimes you write t of alpha over 2. Degrees of freedom 39 and confidence interval 90%. We want to find critical value for this information. So for here, we have to look at 90%, but 90% here is actually correspond to 0.05. That's because 0.05 is the area right side. So if I have a bell-shaped curve here, area right, this area is 0.05, but then the right by symmetry, the area on the left is also 0.05, which gives us area in the middle 90% or 0.90. So for 90%, we have to look at 0.05. Okay, so then we go down 0.05 degrees of freedom 39. So this will be the critical value for 90% confidence interval degrees of freedom 39. So that's how we use this. Let's do maybe one more example. Let's say we're trying to do 95%. Oops. 95%. And degrees of freedom, let's say, is 17. That's the degrees of freedom, which means sample size is 18, right? So 95% means the area both combined the sides are 5%. So that means this one area is 0.025. 0.025 here, 0.025 here will give us 95 in the middle. So we have to look at 0.025. Then from here we go down to 17, which is 2.110. So this is how we use this table. We just have to be careful on these numbers. These numbers only referring to the area right side. Okay, so if I want to use 90%, that means I have to look at 0.05. If I want to look at 95%, I look at here, and so forth, right? So make sure to keep that in mind when you use this table.